Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. Today, we will learn some important physics terms and their meanings. Physics helps us understand how things move, how forces work, and how energy affects the world around us. These terms will help us build a strong foundation in science. Let us learn some words related to physics. Acceleration, the rate at which the velocity of a body changes with time. Aerial, related to the air and atmosphere. Altimeter, an instrument used for determining altitude or height above sea level. Amplifier, an electrical device that increases the amplitude of signals, especially sound signals. Bar magnet, a magnet shaped like a bar with magnetic poles at both ends. Brake, a device used for slowing down or stopping a moving vehicle. Centrifuge, an apparatus used to separate materials of different densities by spinning them rapidly. Chronometer, an instrument used for measuring time accurately. Compass, an instrument with a magnetized needle that points toward magnetic north. Concave lens, a lens that causes parallel light rays to spread out. Convex lens, a lens that brings parallel light rays together at a single focus point. Diffraction, the spreading of light or waves after passing through an opening or around an obstacle. Direct current, DC, an electric current that flows in only one direction. Electric circuit, a complete path through which electric current flows. Electrolysis, the chemical decomposition of a substance caused by passing electric current through it. Friction, the force that opposes motion when two surfaces rub against each other. Gauge, an instrument used for measuring size, amount, pressure, or contents. Gravity, the force that attracts objects toward the center of the Earth. Ignition, the process of starting combustion or setting fuel on fire. Induction, the transfer of electric charge or energy without direct contact. Inertia, the tendency of an object to resist changes in its state of motion or rest. Laser, a device that produces a concentrated beam of intense light. Magnetic field, the region around a magnet where magnetic forces can be detected. Nucleus, the positively charged central core of an atom containing most of its mass. Opaque, a material or object that does not allow light to pass through it. Penumbra, the lighter outer region of a shadow. Pole, the region at either end of a magnet where magnetic force is strongest. Satellite, an artificial object that orbits a planet or other celestial body. Speed, the distance traveled per unit of time. Thermostat, a device that automatically regulates temperature. Turbine, a machine that generates power through a rotating engine driven by fluid, steam, air, or water. Ultrasonic, sound waves with frequencies higher than the range of human hearing. Ultrasound, sound that has an ultrasonic frequency. Umbra, the dark inner region of a shadow cast by an opaque object. Velocity, the speed of an object in a specific direction. Volume, the amount of space occupied by an object. Watt, the SI unit of power, equal to 1 joule per second. Today, we learned several important physics terms that help us understand motion, energy, light, sound, electricity, and other scientific concepts. These words are commonly used in science classes and everyday life. Keep studying and exploring the fascinating world of physics. The more you learn, the better you will understand how the world around you works. Thank you for watching,